lift and move things every day. We can handle most objects by ourselves without the use of machines. But sometimes arm strength just isn't enough. Many times it takes more power to get the big jobs done. That's why we use cranes. You might find one type of crane right in your own backyard. Hang a rope over a tree limb and you can make the simplest kind of crane. But working with industrial cranes requires a lot more knowledge. There are many types of cranes. Although they share similarities, they also have important differences. Let's take a closer look. Boom cranes, such as truck or tower cranes, are the most complicated group. There are many variables to take into account when you are dealing with boom cranes. In fact, operators usually require special training in order to use these cranes. Cranes are powerful and complicated machines, so it is important to take the time to get to know them before working with them. The first thing that you should do before working with a crane is to locate the standard safety devices that all cranes have. There are two types: general safety devices and operational safety devices. General safety devices include bells and warning lights. If sensors detect a problem, the devices will sound off or blink. Other common general safety devices include horns and warning tags. They are used to alert coworkers when a crane is moving, or if it is not functioning properly and should not be used.